We will quickly power it up to see the interesting reading. So 75 volt. We will go into the detail of it. Power come down to the meters. So we will leave it on and we go hop into the circuit diagram. Much power, more powerful than what I would expect with a very basic system. A Tesla coil powered by a special supply of high voltage, simplified down with a primary coil, a tower, which is a wireless transmitters, grounded, transistor representing a switching nature of the primary induction coils. In this setting, a attempt to put both types of transistor, NPN and PNP transistor, but it's not complete. But you get the idea. With the control board has two transistors we hop into it. It's just an idea, but the detailed circuit diagram has not completed yet. So 75 volt of this system. We go into the hardware. Before we go into the hardware, we go into the circuit diagram. We will break it. I only got one hand with a demanding cameras. Short circuit is a problem. So in a moment we will see it. Now you should see closely. You see the neon lamps flashing. So basically the hardware attempt, you see a few capacitors. Basically the hardware charging up the capacitor and producing stunning close to 100 volt. It can be pushed. The power supply is in the lower setting. It has plenty of room to rise above 100 volt. Basically, it charges up the huge chunk of capacitors. Hang on, I removed those leadless wire. And charging up the neon lamp, neon vacuum tubes, demanding cameras, always demanding what I could, and is functioning by geo-basic transistors. Hardware is all full of mystery. CPU fan, I was shocked that this CPU fan has such a potential. The CPU fans is set up with, at the moment, a perfect balance according to the magnetic field, which a tower has been staked right where the perfect balance rests for the magnetic field, which this tower is jam-packed and filled with energy, and a capacitor, and the same way wireless transfer was addressed is, you see little things that's sticking up to supposed to be a arena, airborne airborne ports for electron. From that point onwards, electron is in the air. Love is in the air. And that's the power supply, nothing usual. So the hardware is a very wear down the hardware, which has been in service for 2 years. So since it wear down, the wheel would not turn, or some other cause, and I do not have a replacement at the moment. So with this power, this is my able to do carry a lot of load, and we will come back and see what we can we light up some household appliance with this output. Yes, and there is room for improvement.